Hey Cami, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. First thing that I see is they did a really good job with the layout. I'd recommend having more call to action buttons, so some buttons here with your phone number or a form on there that helps with your conversion. And the second thing is I would recommend adding some content to this homepage. And the reason is that Google has what's called crawlers. They're crawling the internet 24/7. And so they look through all the website's content that's on there, and they're looking for keywords as well. And so you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority. And then you also want to embed some of those keywords in there. So here's an example of a keyword, Waterproofing Nashville. So when people search this, the first thing that pops up here is called the Google Map Pack section. And you want to be in the top 3 here because a lot of people don't click past it. And so 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Pack section. So it is important to be getting these eyes on your site as well. And so you want your Google business profile to have more citations than these other businesses, and you want to have a good amount of photos and reviews as well. And so if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. And so the rest of the 60 to 70% of the business goes down here. And so this is where your website ranks. And let's see. 90% of people stay on this first page here. And so you want to be ranking in the top 3. The number 1 ranking business gets the majority of it. And so you want to be as high up as possible. So this is a number 1 ranking website for that keyword. And so let's take a look at it. Not seeing call to actions either. Not very many. It'd be super easy to beat them out with the content, but let's compare the back end of each website. So I have the USS plugged into Ahrefs, and so what we're going to take a look at here would be some ratings pulled from Google data. So UR and DR, this is the authority and the trustworthiness of a site. So they have 18 and 26. And that comes from the just over 4,000 backlinks that they have. And backlinks come from referring domains. And so what a backlink is it's one website linking to another one. And not all backlinks are created equal. So you want to make sure that you're getting good quality backlinks to boost these numbers. If you get spammy ones, it does harm these numbers here. And so something else that they have is they have over 5,000 organic keywords on their website. So let's compare yours. So you're beating them in this number, and they are beating you all in this one. You guys have 29 and 4. That comes from 901 backlinks from 196 referring domains. And you all have just under 3,000 organic keywords. And so something that I'd recommend is making sure that you have more high quality backlinks. And so we want to boost this number up. And so how you would do that would be you could always do the copycat method, which would be to go into their backlinks here and find out all the good quality backlinks that they have and then link it to your website as well. And let's take a look at some of their keywords. So, foundation repair, 300 people are searching that every single month. 300 people, 250, 250, 200, 300. And so there are tons of people searching for your services. And so I'd recommend getting some more backlinks to your website to boost those numbers there. So you want to make sure they're high quality, as well as adding some content to your homepage and making sure that you have buyer intent keywords on your website. That way that you are showing up for the keywords and Google knows to populate your website for those keywords. And the other thing is making sure your Google business profile has more citations so that you are ranking there as well. And so if you ever need any help with any of this, we'd be more than happy to help you. And thank you for taking the time to watch this.